home with Rose Emily. Hope all you guys are doing super good. I know it's been a while. I haven't recorded or uploaded any recipe in over 2 years. Can you believe that? But hopefully I will be back more consistent. And let's just start with a quick and easy delicious salad, right? Just for us to warm up a bit. Hope you enjoyed this delicious cucumber, avocado, and tomato salad. Quick and easy. You can serve it as a side dish or as a main dish with grilled shrimp or fish, chicken. Guys, this is so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a like, and hope you guys are ready for recipes coming more often. So let's get started with the cucumbers. I am using English cucumbers, but you can use regular American cucumbers if that's what you have. We're cutting it in half and then slicing them again, as you can see, and adding it to my bowl. And now I have here half of a red onion, and we're going to cut this thinly sliced. And all of the vegetables, make sure that they are pre-washed. And next are our cherry tomatoes, cutting them in half. Nice and plummy, delicious, and then adding them to our mixing bowl as well. Look how good it looks. And last, our avocado. I'm adding 1 whole avocado, as you can see, just cutting it in half and in chunks, and adding it to our bowl. This salad is so good, refreshing, delicious, and super easy. And now for our dressing, which is so simple, I am adding 2 teaspoons of olive oil, as well as 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. If you have red wine vinegar, you can add that as well, replacing the balsamic vinegar. But this tastes so good. And now we're going to add a pinch of black ground pepper, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, as well as half a teaspoon of salt or to taste. And all we have to do is mix it very well. And that is it. You have here a delicious cucumber, tomato, and avocado salad that I hope all of you guys can enjoy as a family. I'll see you on my next video.